we remain silent about it. And every time we remain silent about something, our brain assumes that. So the thought was thought, it is processed, it is stored, it is applied, and if we haven't thought anything else with it, then we really quickly attach ourselves to this context assumed by silence. And no matter what your head offers you, what if I get sick? Assumption of silence. What if something happens to my partner? What if something happens to my children? What if I go on vacation and we get sick? What if I run out of money? What if I have no idea what's going on? Whenever you remain silent about such a fear, we assume your silence. Therefore also the idea, let's work with tables of concerns. Because every time you move within a table of fears and are actively doing, you are no longer silent and do not automatically accept everything. So, first point which you can take with you, try to pay attention to how often you actually remain silent in life and how often you used to remain silent about all the things your mind always offered you.